Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my Warrior Plus account. This is a default for the last 30 days. So I'm going to go into my all time here, click on all time, and this will load up my complete history since I joined Warrior Plus. And the three columns that we're concerned with here, just get my little pencil out while it's loading up. The three columns that we're concerned with are this column here. So the sales are now at $36,489.44. From those sales, in the commission column on the right hand side here, you'll see that I've earned $18,620, and the majority of that is profit because I've used free traffic to promote these offers. In the left hand column over here, you'll see that I've sold 3,872 products. And I'm going to show you a bit later on the video how you can promote one link and you can make multiple sales and earn multiple commissions through one link. This is one of the superb features of Warrior Plus. So we'll just delete that and come back to this page a bit later on in the video. So more importantly, I want to show you how you can get started today for $5. That's how I started my Warrior Plus journey, with a $5 product. And there'll be joining links in the description if you want to get started, or you might just want to have a look and get some more information. And there's several reasons why these products and this system works. And one of the reasons is that these products are in an evergreen niche. If you're not familiar with that term, an evergreen niche means that these products will always be in demand because they're in the traffic niche, and everyone needs traffic to make money online, and they need more and more and more traffic to scale up. So people are always looking for great traffic offers. These are buyer's traffic offers, and buyer's traffic is the best traffic you can promote your offer with, because research shows that buyers will buy over and over and over again because they're serious about making money online. And they're also autopilot buyer's traffic offers. So once you set the system up, which is just takes a matter of minutes, then these systems work 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days, even while you're asleep. Or if you're like me, you've got a full-time job and you're busy at work and you're busy with family and friends and hobbies, it's just total automation. One of the superb features of Warrior Plus products is that you can earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to $850. And I've put here, there's no need to buy. Now what that means is that you don't have to buy these high ticket products to be able to earn these high ticket affiliate commissions. I'll show you a bit later on in the video how that works. I'll also show you some real proof that it works as well. Once you put your lead capture page into these autopilot buyer's traffic systems, then when somebody opts in, you will be building your own buyers list because the members are already buyers. Now, your buyers list is the best asset that you can have online, because you can then promote other offers to real buyers and then scale up and earn even more commissions potentially. I want to show you how to get in profit and stay in profit every single month. 95% of people fail online because they don't get in profit. So we want to teach you how to not just get in profit, but stay in profit every single month. Going to give you the free tools and done for you systems our team uses to help you succeed. And by using those free tools and systems, you can also earn additional income streams. I'm going to put in here on top of WP, on top of Warrior Plus. So I'm showing you Warrior Plus income, but I'm also going to show you some other income that you can earn on top of your Warrior Plus income as well. There will be an income, excuse me, there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims in this video, any product claims or any guarantees. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's have a look now at, let's go back into here. I want to show you a couple of things down here. Now if you look down the right hand side here, you'll see this circular arrow that says recurring payment. Now this is recurring payment number 2. But what you'll see that this product over here is a 6-month subscription, 2 6-month subscriptions. So they've paid up front for 6 months. You're gonna be sharing this product. There's some serious people out there that want to invest in their future, and they will, if they're really serious about making money online. Some can potentially order 6 months in advance of traffic. So this is one of the great features of Warrior Plus. So this is their 2nd month for paying 6 months in a row. Now further down here, you'll see 11 months in a row. Now these are recurring payments. So these smaller ones come in every single month. This is nearly 2 years in a row, 20 months in a row, 36 months in a row. So what happens is you can get a high retention of membership subscriptions, because the members are not only getting good quality traffic and they're happy with that, but they're also, a lot of them, becoming affiliates. And when they get into profit as an affiliate, then they never quit. So nobody quits a program that they're making money on. So these are new ones that are coming in here, where there's, you see where there's no circular arrow, new people coming in. And again, these are all monthly recurring commissions. It is profitable passive income. Once you get a couple of referrals after that, then you're going to be into profit. Now, I've done lots of other videos on that, so I'm not going to go into great detail. If you go onto my Warrior Plus playlist, you'll see I've done a complete case study right from the very beginning of when I started this Warrior Plus journey. Now, another reason is over here is the affiliate program. So I'll just get my little pen on. There's my pencil down here. So I've put on here, now what happens when you become a member, if you look in the top left hand corner, it says here, your affiliate link is, that's a bit thick, that pencil, let's just minimize that a bit. So you get your affiliate link when you get automatically approved, and they give you an affiliate link when you become a member. So all you do is you just promote one link. That's it, you promote one link. And then I've put over here on the right, you learn affiliate commissions when your referrals upgrade. Important, you don't have to upgrade yourself to earn the upgrade commissions. Now this is an example of the click generator, the all new click generator here, which is one of the autopilot buyers traffic products. Now the owners of this product, Frank and John, are traffic experts. They've been selling traffic for over 20 years, good quality traffic. And then what happens is, this is the commission column down the right hand side here. These are all the commissions you can earn. So if any of your referrals, so you can join for $5 a month, like I said a bit earlier, you get started for $5. Now if any of your referrals, let's say if they bought some of these additional clicks here, they wanted more traffic, then you would earn these commissions over here in the right hand column. One here for $600, one here for $850, And then these ones here, where there's a circular arrow, these are all recurring. So there's also recurring commissions as well. Down here, there's 3 more down here. Some people, this is an additional slot. Some people want to promote more than one product. This is another system here. This is a yearly one. But the key thing is that you can get started for $5 and you can earn higher ticket affiliate commissions when your referrals upgrade. I'll just show you a recent example of that. If I go into my Gmail here, this is my Gmail inbox where I get my Warrior Plus notifications when I earn commissions. And you'll see, if you look down the right hand side here, you see the date. So I'll just move that out the way over here. So this is for a traffic product called Exit Traffic Network. And you'll see the dates here. All these here, let's just go into this one here. All these came in on February the 12th. Now there's high ticket affiliate commissions here. There's one here for $94. There's one here for $60. There's one here for $32. There's one here for $22. And this totaled, I think it totals $250 in one day of affiliate commissions. And that product costs a one-time payment of $17. So with the affiliate programs, the potential is there to promote one link and earn multiple commissions. Now, when I spoke to you at the beginning of the video about free tools and done-for-you systems, then this is an example of one of those. So this is for the click engine. Now, I've created several of these success systems for you. So you can just start with one. Start with the click engine like I did, and we give you a free, complete click engine success system here. Follow the proven steps below. Now you can clone this completely free. We do all the videos for you. We do all the explaining and converting and proof for you. You don't do any videos. So further down this page is video tutorials on how you can clone this page for free and how you can set it up. Now when you set the system up, your affiliate link will go into these buttons here. So they will join you, they will buy the click engine from you once you've become a member, and they will also join Leads Leap through you because the systems are set up on Leads Leap. Now Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. I'll show you here. Totally free, nothing to buy. And with the free lifetime membership, you can earn affiliate commissions. So when your referrals upgrade, you'll see my total income here. I'll just refresh this page for you. So my total income with Leads Leap in affiliate commissions is now $3,696. Now, if I go into the table here and show you, even with the free plan, you can earn forever free, not a trial. You can earn affiliate commissions, 25% monthly recurring commissions. So that'll be profit for you because you're on the free membership for life. You can upgrade later if you want to do, but you will earn 25% recurring monthly commission. So that will be profit because you've got a free membership. And that's how I started. And then a bit later on, I upgraded to Pro with my profits. And then you get 50% recurring commission. And then you get a lot more features. You get automated traffic, you get automated email follow-ups. But with the free membership, you can set these systems up. All the information is further down. The link in the description will take you to this page, and everything's on here that you need. We do all the explaining for you and show you proof to boost your conversions. So I highly recommend setting the systems up. You've only got to set the system up once, and then you can promote it forever. And They do work. I've done other videos on the conversions and proof of commissions, where you'll see here there's nearly $4,000 earned in commissions, and this is a $5 a month product. So you can turn $5 into thousands of dollars of profit, and that's a lot of profitable passive income in there as well, because ClickEngine is a monthly membership subscription. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing several new uploads every week, and if you've got any questions or comments about today's content, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And I always have my email address in the description, so if you do ever want to send me an email, then I will reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.